Good morning, guys. Today we are going to make a review activity about the feudalism, which is a topic that we have just finished. And for that, I will upload one game that is a very easy one because it works as a PowerPoint presentation. And it is about the feudalism, as I have said. It is a Jeopardy game. So here you can see a list of categories in which you will have to work about society, monasteries, castles, the Crusades, the Romanesque, religious life, and all that will appear in a full screen.
Hi everyone and welcome to Here we go, round one. Will appear on the board in
It explains to
categories.
you what you have to do. So it says to you the topics. Can you see that? The ones that I have mentioned before. And now you have this panel in which you have the categories here on the bottom. Can you see? And the value of your answer. So what you have to do is to click over one of these, and you have peasants, and you have to pose a question, to make a question, right? So maybe who were the peasants? Who were the ones who occupied lower level in the feudal society? So the main function of this game is to help you to review the topic, but also, and in coordination with the teacher of literacy, we have proposed this activity for encouraging you to use the questioning, right, in your classes. So, what room did the monks have meal in? In the refectory, for instance, right? After that, after explaining that, I will explain to you how it works, right? So coming back to the presentation, you click here and you have modes. How do we call to the pib or ditch, either dry or filled with water that surrounds a castle? This would be your question, right? Although the answer is modes, right? So I hope you enjoy this game. You can play it maybe not in groups, but maybe you can establish a video conference with your mates and you can play together with your family or whatever in these days in which we must stay at home. I hope you find this activity easy. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. I will be connected through the Teams platform. As you know, we are working all these days on this. This is our team. Our team is second ESO. Second ESO AB British Adaha 1920. And here you have all the things that I have published these days, all the files that I have uploaded to you, and also the web is a little bit slow today, and also the activities that I have proposed to you on the other days of the week. Please be careful with this section, because here is where I will propose to you the rest of the task for this week, right? So please try to follow this website each day, and you will have the instructions and all the things that you have to do for the rest of the week. In this section, you will have the information, but also it will be a deadline. So if you try to complete the activities or the task after the deadline, you will not be able. Be careful with that. It's a way of controlling that you are working each day, step by step, and that you don't have any type of doubts about the things that we are doing. The function of all that, or the goal of all that, is that you can work together at the same time, although we have to make it individually at home, obviously, right? I hope you can find this game funny and also useful for reviewing the topic. We keep in contact. Bye.